Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 19 GT automatic bone stock with the Phase 2 Roush Supercharger. So I have Doug with me here in a second. We're going to check out the engine before we do the dyno pull. Hey, as you're watching this, if you have any more questions on this Supercharger, as always, I'll put a link in the description so you can read more about it. Hey, how do I get this installed? How much does it cost? You email quote@brentspeed.com. And as always, please subscribe and notify. Doug, let's go take a look. It's the 18 and 20 Roush Supercharger. It's the Phase 2 kit. All right, so flywheel, this is rated 750 flywheel horsepower. You get the intercooled 2650 Supercharger, new injectors. You get the nice Roush air induction system. And one thing I do like about the air induction system on this is it has the window on top. You can see the air filter. I think that looks pretty cool. Besides that, okay, the car is stock. And again, automatic, just running 93 octane. Check out this dyno pull. All right, I had to get in the throttle really slow because a couple prior pulls, the tires kept spinning, but the numbers came out great. Doug, take a look. DynoJet SAE, 654 real horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Torque comes in, this is what I love, 572 torque, peaking at 4,650. I couldn't go wide open throttle until about roughly 3,500 RPM, so about 3 I started laying into it. I was wide open by 3,500. And it makes awesome horsepower, awesome torque. I have this same kit on my 19, and my 19 is a convertible also. Doug, let's take a look. So this is the cool color blue right here. I will put a link at the end of this video of my 19 Mustang where we took it to the track with this same package, stock car. I did have headers, ran 10s in the quarter mile. So at the end of this video, you can just click on that and check it out. One more look at the engine compartment, Doug. Right over here, so it's the TVS intercooled 2650 Supercharger front inlet. It's a really great package, and if you didn't know, 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty included. Here's the kicker, for free from Roush. So that's something a lot of you that buy a brand new Mustang that want to make power like this and are really concerned about warranty. 3-year, 36,000 drivetrain from Roush, as long as it's installed by a pro, so it's something like we could install and you get that warranty, or like a Ford dealership, someplace like that. So I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Thank you so much for watching. Leave that comment. Thanks.